Welcome back to XavzLife, and in today's episode we start the morning off in Vauxhall, central London at Ducati London for a special day, joined by some very special guests for a bike collection. And I might as well disclose,
Here I come.
This bike is one that my friends have told me to buy, simply because it's just pure fun, and this just happens to be the bike that our special guest is collecting. And by special guest I mean James Exton, one of the Exton twins, the other being Tom Exton, aka TGE. Now if you don't know who they are two very successful brothers. They hit the YouTube scene hard, gained a lot of recognition for their lifestyle, their hard work, their fitness company, London Muscle, and their absolutely outrageous car collection. Now we have another special guest who goes by the name of Ella-Mae Rayner. She is JE's other half. She's killing it in the fitness industry. She has a background of all kinds of sports, from gymnastics, diving, running and much more. And she recently did a game show on BBC called Gladiators.
What is going on, my good people? Welcome back to the channel where your boy daily rides this bike everywhere essentially. And who? Yeah, they came out of nowhere. Right, today I had to take a little break from vlogging because I was busy moving stuff around, a bit of work and travel and whatnot, so I have not been as consistent. However, today we are going to Ducati London. We're going to pick up one of my mates for a new bike, actually, a new addition to his garage collection. He's already got a GT3 and a new range. Today he's going to grab his Ducati. You guys probably already know who it is. It is James Exton, JE London, London Muscle, TGE, the two brothers, the twins. If you don't know who they are, then I don't know. But they are quite well known, so I assume you guys know who they are. We're going to go pick up James's new bike, do the handover, all that good stuff, and then, yeah, meet and greet with everyone. So it'll be a meet and greet. Thank you guys so far for all the support, by the way. You guys have been amazing. It's crazy now, like all my friends are going around telling me, because people keep seeing my friends in my videos and they keep seeing my friends in person, they're like, hey, do you know XavzLife? So a lot of people are spotting the growth is there, guys. We're doing it, the channel's growing, and it's all thanks to all of you. So I love each and every one of you. Thank you for the support, for the existing supporters. Any new supporters, we appreciate you. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, so today we're just going to do that. Now I believe last week, a few days ago actually, I was riding on the motorway. My rear pouch, it had, like, the zip was open a bit, caused a bit of an air pocket, and we all know what happened there. I lost my bank card, my wallet, my license, my portable charger, my literally everything you can imagine flew out on the motorway. Now the strangest thing is each thing was spread maybe like 100 to 200 meters from each other. So where one thing dropped, another 100 to 200 meters down the road, if not further, the next thing would be, which was crazy. Absolutely crazy. So yeah, that was mad. And so we basically did manage to get a lot of it back. Well, my license we got back because it was wet in my wallet, so it couldn't fly out. Wait a second, let's just over so we know where I'm going. I was going to go left, whoops. So yeah, we got the my license we got back, my bank cards were history, my Nectar card's history, my BP card's history, some of my other membership cards history, all my money that I had in there, I had cash and coins history. We got the but the most important thing that I was concerned about was my license, because that's ID. I guess that's the most expensive to replace, £50–60 thereabouts, I think. So yeah, I did not want to lose that. Anyway, managed to get it back, so I'm happy about that, and the rest was replaceable really. So yeah, so I'm happy with what I've got back. And yeah, so guys, that was crazy though, because yeah, I can't believe that all that stuff flew off like that. Absolutely mental, absolutely mental. But anyway, central London today, Ducati London, collect this new bike. I'll give you guys a little tour of the showroom as well. I'll show you what bikes they've actually got in there at the moment. And yeah, so that's what today's going to be. It'll be a short one, but it's quick. I thought I might as well film for the sake of it. So why not? That is what we're gonna do. That is what we're gonna do today. So yes guys, enjoy the vid. Let's hope this audio is okay. And then I also lost one of my GoPros. So that was bad news. No, not my GoPro, the GoPro battery and charger, which I think I mentioned in the previous vid. So you'll see. And then we got actually picked up by an officer. So that was kind of crazy. The traffic officer actually picked us up, helped us out. He gave me a lift back to the bike, which was quite funny. Ah man, I am early. I'm real early. Just think about riding. This thing said it will take me 40 minutes, right? 40 minutes, and I have done this in about 20 something minutes. Insane. Yeah, everyone's coming out today, you can see it. So yeah, riding man, it cuts the time down to like half. So yes, all my new riders out there, I've got some vids coming just for you guys anyway. Some vids for, well, it's for new riders and experienced riders actually. Some things that you just don't always get taught or shown. I've got some good tips for you guys, so stay there guys and girls. I got you covered. So we'll have that as well. What else is there? I can't think of what else. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I'll cut this off here because it's going to be boring me just riding for the sake of it. Then I'll cut back to the good part soon. Nice and swift. So that lorry, I was like, yeah, we're not going to have contact with you, so let's get around that nice and quickly. I hope this ped can move off quick as well. Seems to be riding quite good. So yes, I am crazy early. Oh my goodness, I'm here already. Go on, ped man, go on. Wait, that's a Vespa. Yo, that's kind of cool. I always said like one day randomly, right, I would get a Vespa in red. Such an Italian thing to do. But yeah, they're kind of funky. Quite like it, I'm not gonna lie. So I think I'm gonna have to add one to the collection. Just for the purpose of having it there, you know. So anyway guys, we are in Vauxhall. Do you know, I'll film this part, show you guys. We're in Vauxhall at the moment. So whoever doesn't know where we are, Vauxhall, central London, by the bridge. Let's get out of the danger zones. I don't really like this. Oh, do you know what? You're all in the way. In a way that I don't really like. So we'll stay well clear of all you guys. Right, we just had to get out of it. Nice and swift. Gorgeous, like everyone says. That one person. You throw this bike around like it's a 125. Yes, my friend, I kind of do. And it's fun. Anyway, we're around the corner. I used to do this journey every day. For work, that is, when I used to go to the office. Right. Yeah, today's weather's holding out, luckily, so let's hope it remains. Because you know we're on those Diablo super courses. Super sticky tyres, but in the wet they are ice pucks. AKA, you will go sliding. Wow, that was nice and swift. Do you know what? I want this right turn here. Yeah, let's go here. Let's go here, shall we?
A few moments later.
I wish they did a facelift of these, I'd actually get it. Bargain. Absolute bargain.
That's the idea.
Yeah, by the minute we leave here, we're all broke.
Yeah, I love that brown sequin, man. You love a bit of
Oh, turby pipes on that as well. Jeez.
the workshop in the back. Gloves. They got so much in here.
Sorry guys, this is the most cringe.
I like it.
Do you? More
Yes.
Yeah, message me how much you like it.
Got any music or?
Avengers.
You saw how many things I've asked them to do?
I want some Pavarotti. Oh, look at this.
Oh, come on.
Ooh, cheeky, I believe. Oh, cheeky.
He's
teasing it off.
Woo! Ducati.
Is that a Suzuki?
Looks sick, right?
That is nice. The SC looks mental.
Yeah, very happy.
That is fucking cool.
I can't put a smaller plate on, that's asking to get thumbed.
Yeah.
Isn't it? I think that's fine, let's get one.
That's fucking nice.
That looks good.
Let's take that.
Those stickers.
Why does it look nice in your way?
It looks sick.
The exhaust. Different vinyl stickers. James, what else did you get extra?
Mate, it's a normal 9SP,
Yeah.
And then I was like, I don't need an SP. Like, oh shit, right?
No.
Okay. So I got the decals put on, and then I just whipped the mirrors off. Put, what else? It's got the SC,
Yeah, well, that's mental.
Arrow decap, and then I've got this all this jazz sorted here. Have you seen this? Is that clever? Do you like that?
That is sick. That is
Oi,
neat.
does that make sense? Yeah.
Yeah.
Plate's
It's a bit too big though, that plate.
It's a bit too big. Isn't
Too
it?
big.
Well, to be honest, it's on Velcro. It's a little bit. No, do you know what? It's a perfect size. Because Velcro,
No, it's tiny.
So Velcro, it can come
Yeah, you can just put it off.
in your
No,
pocket.
I'm joking. That's
That fits in
tiny.
your pocket. Nice.
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
No, it will be on Velcro though, because it will always fall off. And then it's in my pocket. But you know what? I don't need that.
That is tiny. He's getting tugged for that.
You're spending your time.
It is
Well,
miniature.
It has to fit between these two. So if,
Never in my life.
That's true, actually. Where else would it go?
what, like, if
Yeah.
you pull me over, I'll say, yeah, no, I'm going to put it on Velcro because I'm not actually going to ride with the plate. It's going to be in my pocket.
Give it a week. First ticket, about a week, 2 weeks. You can't. That's loud. That's mental. You might not need to take the bath for that, you know.
Yeah, I think that's perfect. I think yeah. Do
You smell that fuel, innit?
yeah. Do you think?
A few minutes later.
London is absolutely rammed. Oh wait. Right. That plate is on properly. I actually forgot. This came from the launch if you guys didn't see already. And yeah, there's too many feds out to run that sort of risk. Like I said, I passed probably, no joke, probably more than 20. Not a joke. They are everywhere. Literally. Anyway, the launch was cool with James, Oliver, Wayne, all the usual lot. His new bike is there. Yes. It was a good day. Now to just go to Tottenham Court Road, get my new, what do you call it, my new cards. Oh, there's Metro right there. Wait, are they shut?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
No, where they shut. Right guys, I'm going to shoot back home, so there's no point in recording this guys. I'll show you a little bit of London actually, just a little bit, because it is busy as hell. I don't know if there's a protest. I saw filming, I saw like cameras for like BBC, the news. I don't know what's going on. I will probably Google and find out later, or it will just be in the news in general. But I saw tons of people out. It's incredibly busy. Yes, that's a nice range, a very nice range. You guys probably can't see it. Satin black new shape. Alright, the whole other side of London is crazy busy. Here's all silent. I didn't expect this. I think I will stop recording. Guys, I think I'm going to clock this out here, so thanks for watching. A random video, very short, but yeah, onto the next one.